Hello everyone, now you can join our new Discord group. The link is available in the video description, and you can sign up for free to obtain daily signals and important information about crypto. We also have a VIP section within the channel, which you can unlock once you sign up for the general group for free. Just click on the Become a VIP member button and you're good to go. You can find the link in the description as well as the comment section. Also lying in the description box is our exclusive offer that gets you trading Dogecoin and any other cryptocurrency with a little extra head start. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade you make on Binance with Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this offer. So far, so good. Dogecoin has been experiencing phenomenal growth over the months, which has often been compared to XRP. In this video on CryptoFox, we'll be looking at why Dogecoin has been rising close to 100 times faster than Bitcoin. The resurgence of the crypto industry that had kickstarted in 2020 has been carried forward into 2021. And all the current big-name cryptos in the market have secured massive gains, most especially in the first few months of the year. The likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA have all posted some additions to their value, but they all seem like a feather in the wind compared to Dogecoin. Last week, the crypto lunged just beyond the mark to hit 70 cents as its market cap grew to over $90 billion. And this puts its calculated increase at over 10,000% this year alone. However, their values have been much higher than Dogecoin's, with Cardano being the closest in value to Dogecoin. Despite its current level, Bitcoin has only experienced just about an 85% increase, give or take, considering the losses it has raked in that time space. However, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano have posted gains of between 300 and 600% of their own. It seems exciting, but it's still minute compared to Dogecoin's massive increase. These stats are remarkable for Dogecoin, as it's a coin of noteworthy origin. It doesn't have any complex application like any of the other cryptocurrencies in the market. However, it thrives on the significant market cog that is the life of any other commodity, that is, investor interest growing around it. Dogecoin costs so little, and its price is boosted by a retail and rebel system armed with people that hold vast amounts of crypto. It's replaced Bitcoin as the rebel of the crypto market. Its community on Reddit is coordinating its buying, and Dogecoin's succession of record-breaking price highs has also been accompanied by unprecedented market volatility. The volatility reading around Dogecoin is close to 442% as reported by Kraken. It represents the actual resistance over the inequities present in the traditional financial industry. It has such originality and thus has been able to stay on course. Its price was expected to undergo a pumping action yesterday due to Elon Musk appearing on SNL. Dogecoin investors were hopeful that the Doge-loving entrepreneur would either mention the cryptocurrency in his opening monologue or reference it in a comedy skit. His tweets have added strategic advantages to Dogecoin this year, as it has risen almost every time he refers to it directly or indirectly. But in a disappointing turn of events for Dogecoin on Saturday, the pressure that had become cranked up in anticipation for Dogecoin's expected spike on account of SNL and Elon Musk hit the rocks. Right then, there started a massive sell-off of the crypto. The crypto lost as much as 25 cents to slip around to 50 cents. Crossing over until the next day, people are still selling off their holdings as the correction continues from the high of about 76 cents that it achieved on Friday. This crash was reportedly initiated when Elon Musk called Dogecoin a hustle while filling in the role of a financial expert on one of SNL's skits. It was reported to have hit as low as 41 cents. This undermines the 800% gains it has posted since last month. According to FX Street, Dogecoin's daily chart shows that the sell-off has stalled just above the critical short-term 21 moving average at 39 cents. A daily closing below the latter could expose the next downside target near the 22 cents region, which is the confluence of the upward-sloping 50 DMA and horizontal trendline support. On the flip side, the Doge buyers need to recapture 50 cents for a convincing recovery to kick in. The bargain hunters could look for entry around the above-mentioned level, given that the relative strength index continues to hold above the midline, despite the sharp retreat. A run towards the $1 mark will resume only when the price delivers a daily closing above the 70 cents round figure. Before the crash, May 8th was probably the most highly anticipated day in the history of Dogecoin. Right before the show and much earlier in the day, the coin hit as high as 76 cents and maintained around the 70 cents range for much of the day. It plummeted, however, in what appeared to be an off day, contrary to what was expected. It did not dip instantly, but it first held at 71 cents before dipping down to 67 cents within just 5 minutes as the selling pressure increased. As the time receded toward midnight, it was highly volatile, climbing and falling in relatively small amounts as there seemed to be a struggle between buyers and sellers. Still, the sellers seemed to take advantage when it sharply declined to 50 cents. The appearance on the show was ultimately a turnoff, and it was counterintuitive compared to all that Elon Musk's tweets about Dogecoin have done so far. People thought his mentioning the coin would inspire something other than a sell-off that happened to be the case. However, what's obvious is that he knows just what's in play when it comes to Dogecoin's volatility, as well as that of other cryptocurrencies. Before the event, during the week, he had critically advised against people investing their life savings in crypto, and that it should all be considered speculation at this point. With the highly unprecedented and unexpected dip in Doge's price following Musk's SNL appearance, some exchange platforms received heavy traffic amid the resulting sell-off. More specifically, Robinhood, one of the top platforms for trading in Doge. Around the same time as the altcoin's sharp price decline, they reported system issues on their Twitter account. While the problems appeared to be resolved an hour later, Robinhood advised its users to continue monitoring the situation. They also apologized to any users who may have been affected. It's not the first time Doge activity has crashed Robinhood. The app reported intermittent issues with trading after Doge hit an earlier all-time high of 60 cents on May 4th. However, reports indicate that there is nothing to tie this crash to the rise in Doge's price at the time. But Doge was named the culprit of a significant outage for Robinhood back in April. Amid one of Elon Musk's tweet-motivated spikes in the altcoin's price, the trading platform was out of action for some hours, citing unprecedented demand as the reason for the outage. This highlights the overwhelming amount of requests to sell the crypto amid the crash, but that's as far as the horrific event goes. Dogecoin has now gained another form of adoption as the American Cancer Society currently accepts Dogecoin donations. The fame of Dogecoin has reached beyond the market to touch organizations, including community organizations, and the American Cancer Society is looking to take advantage of the crypto to receive donations for its projects. The community recently embarked on a fundraising movement for close to $1 million for its crypto cancer fund. However, Dogecoin is not the only target asset for this. The ACS is accepting other cryptos such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and ADA. This is a wise move on the part of the administration, and their quota is bound to be met sooner rather than later. This is, however, not the first time that Dogecoin has been used in humanitarian events and projects. This move was made to offset the shortage of funding caused by the COVID-19 pandemic as it affected the organization's activities. Their intentions were revealed in a tweet posted last week on May 6th. The pandemic reduced their research potential by 50% due to low funding, and the volatility of Dogecoin and other cryptos is seen as an advantageous factor that would help them achieve their targets faster. More so, the ACS thinks the bullish Dogecoin market could influence investors to spend and donate. Also, it's worth noting that the Giving Block payment processor powers ACS's crypto donation network. Apart from Doge, it also accepts Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and 11 other cryptocurrencies. Of note, the tweet created a buzz and trended the hashtag #DoOnlyGoodEveryDay, which some of you would notice is an acronym of Doge. Currently, Dogecoin's price is biding its time around the low 50-cent levels, and we could see a return to the highs as the week progresses. The dip may not continue much further. Holders are still very much poised for a return to the uptrend. Buy more of the current dip and let's see what happens next. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. The current level of Dogecoin's price is a dip and could return to positives in a brief period. Would you take advantage to buy the dip? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out some of our previous videos as well, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.